Hey, it's Lena from MoxieWorks. Welcome to this power source video on the serial comma. The serial comma killer is wanted for death of clarity, consistency, and precision in business writing. The serial comma, also called the Oxford comma, is the last comma in a series, and it's no longer required by many style guides. I, however, strongly suggest using it to aid the clarity of your message. To illustrate, does this message state that you will be meeting with 2 people or 4? What about this sentence? Although both sentences are grammatically correct, the first sentence is unclear. It could mean that you're meeting with 2 managers whose names are Obama and Winfrey, or the first sentence could mean that you're meeting with 4 people, Manager 1, Manager 2, Obama, and Winfrey. The second sentence, however, clearly shows that you're meeting with 4 people, Manager 1, Manager 2, Obama, and Winfrey. As my friend says, I loves me a good comma, and the serial comma is a good comma. So if you're trying to decide on whether or not to use a serial comma, remember, to avoid confusion, keep that serial comma. For additional tips on how to use commas correctly, check out our blog on the Comma Cleanse at moxieworksllc.com. You got this.